In this video, we're going to show how you can create a center line for stakeout in the field and also a 3D profile from a grid. First, to create the center line on this road, we're going to check the start station, which I believe on this one is, so we've got a 0, 0. So we're going to go up to our center lines. And right here we have Polyline to centerline file. So we're going to tell it what the name of it is. So we'll just call it that. Hit save. Select the polyline that represents the center line. So I'm going to click this one. And also it's telling us right here if it was drawing the wrong way, we could hit a R for reverse. But here we want to enter our starting station. It's already beginning at the correct starting station, so I'm just going to hit enter. So now that's drawn out. So we do have a centerline file that we can go in and check, or we can export out to our collector so we can do station staking. So now that we have that, we want to create a 3D profile of the center line from this grid. So what we need to make sure this is all joined up line work, that there's no segments in here, otherwise it won't compute properly. We also need to know the scale of the grid, and we need to know our starting elevation. So what we'll do is we'll go to our profiles drop down, and we'll do create profile from profile grid. And I'll just leave it named this profile training. So it's saying what direction is it going from, left to right. What's our horizontal scale? We got 50, vertical 10, our starting station, and our elevation of the starting grid. So that matches here. So we're going to hit OK. So now it's saying pick the lower left corner of the grid. It's basically the lower left corner that matches that elevation on the grid. And then select a polyline to write the profile from. So I'm going to select this polyline. It's my finished grade profile. So now it's finished. So if we want to go in and view and check anything, make sure it done it right, we can do input edit. Open this one up. We can switch it to road mode. So now we can see all of our stationing, all the grade breaks, what station all the grade breaks are at, and percent of slopes, vertical curves, etc. And then also export this out to your field crew to stake from the profile as well. I hope this has been informative, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and thank you for watching.